Hey guys, welcome to it. We are rolling out recipes. This is Home Sweet Home. And I have another wonderful little starter appetizer for you to get things started on the show. I am starting with the best fragrance that could come out of the kitchen. Onions in oil. I think I could make a cologne and spray it all over me. I just want some onions and some peppers going, and I'll tell you what I'm doing. It's such a nice, simple dish. This dish, I was inspired by the West Indies women's team when they came on the show. They were fresh from winning the Women's World Cup, and Stacey and Anissa and the whole crew came on the show. And I was inspired by these little peppers. These little peppers now hit the market. These little sweet peppers. So normally you get the big sweet peppers. There were these little tiny sweet peppers, all different kind of fancy colors, and I said, wow, I just found it so fantastic. So what I did is that I decided to stuff meat in the peppers. Of course, that's what I would do. So I just recognized that, hey, these peppers are so cute. I just decided to cut the top of the pepper off, just like this, and create a boat, almost. Like a little sailboat kind of vibes. Yeah, check it. Yeah. So you cut that top off and you de-seed it, of course. So there's some seeds at the base, just like any normal sweet pepper, any bell pepper. But they're just so small, so cute. Real nice appetizer size kind of thing. And it's just kind of perfect, just like that. So I'm going to show you how we're going to stuff these peppers. Nice little appetizer bite. My onions kind of ready there. I have some minced meat that I seasoned with some Trini green seasoning, salt, pepper, and all the good stuff nice seasoned up there. And I just want to get that in my pan to render down just a bit. So that's going to take a few minutes. An important step to this dish is to allow the meat to cool. So after it's rendered and cooked down and it's ready, you just kind of got to give it about another 5 minutes or so for it to cool, because this is some finished meat that I have here that I will add to this bowl. Reason I want it more or less at room temperature, warm kind of thing, is because I am adding some cheese directly to the meat. So I have a combination of mozzarella and cheddar. It's my favorite combination, really. I just really going to add about a cup of cheese. I want to leave a little bit back that I will top the peppers with afterwards. But really, I just want to fold this cheese in the minced meat. So this is kind of what you want. The cheese melting with the little warmness coming out of the meat still. Reason being, now you want to put this and stuff this in your mini peppers. So I'm going to show you now. I have a greased dish that we're going to start laying these guys down. So it's just a scoop, and you fill these little pepper boats, and you get one. All kind of nice and rustic. They're all different sizes and shapes. Looks like little boats, doesn't it? 2. So I'm going to do these, and while I finish do these, I will just top them with some cheese and dump it in the oven and let it just kind of toast up just for a couple minutes, and then we serve up. So guys, this goes in the oven for about 15-20 minutes just for the peppers to cook right through the cheese to get all nice and melty, and it's a perfect little peppery bite. In the oven now. So you see, it's just these little wonderful little bites. And it's just such a perfect little appetizer, and really impressive. As I said, when I saw these little peppers, these little bell peppers, I just had to find something to do with them. Look at that. These are my mini meat bites in these wonderful little bell peppers, guys. Please try the recipe. Check our YouTube channel. Much more to come still.